Today, we're diving into a query that's a hot topic among houseplant enthusiasts. How often should I water my snake plant? This might seem like a simple question, but watering practices can make or break the health of your snake plant. Let's unravel this mystery together. First things first, let's understand the snake plant, also known as Sansevieria. Snake plants are renowned for their hardiness and ability to thrive in low water conditions. They are native to regions in Africa that experience dry, arid climates, which contributes to their drought-resistant qualities. The golden rule for watering snake plants is to do so sparingly. Overwatering is the fastest route to root rot, which is a common cause of death in snake plants. The key is to allow the soil to completely dry out between waterings. Typically, watering every 2 to 6 weeks is adequate, depending on the season and environment. During the warmer, brighter months, your snake plant may need more frequent watering as it's actively growing. Conversely, in the cooler, darker months, you should reduce the watering frequency as the plant's growth slows down. It's also crucial to consider the pot and soil you're using. A well-draining potting mix in a pot with drainage holes will help prevent water from accumulating at the bottom, reducing the risk of root rot. When you do water, ensure you're soaking the soil thoroughly, allowing excess water to escape through the bottom of the pot. Another aspect to consider is the humidity and temperature of your home. In a more humid environment, your snake plant will require less frequent watering compared to a drier environment. Similarly, higher temperatures might increase the need for water, while cooler temperatures will reduce it. In essence, the frequency of watering your snake plant hinges on a few crucial factors: the season, the environment, and the plant's own signals. Drooping or wrinkling leaves can indicate that your plant is thirsty and in need of water. Conversely, if the leaves start to feel soft or mushy, you may be overdoing the watering. To conclude, there's no one-size-fits-all answer to how often you should water your snake plant, but understanding its preferences and paying attention to its condition are key. Remember, it's better to underwater than overwater. Your snake plant will thank you for erring on the side of too dry rather than too wet. Thank you for joining us on this plant care journey. Caring for your snake plant with the right watering practices ensures a happy, healthy plant that can bring beauty to your space for years to come. Remember, every plant has its unique needs, and getting to know them is part of the joy of gardening. Happy gardening, and may your snake plants thrive.